Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Fitness. In this video, we're going to solve a problem on priority scheduling using non-preemptive method. In the previous video, we've already discussed how priority scheduling works, all the background concept behind priority scheduling. Also, this is the 26th video in the series of operating system. So if you haven't watched my previous videos yet, make sure you watch them. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. In the given question, we have 5 processes given P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. We have their arrival time and burst time. So in this particular scheduling algorithm, you'll see this new thing called priority. So each process comes with a priority value. They are different values. Based on this, we are supposed to assign them. Okay. So in a question, we are supposed to apply the priority using non-preemptive. Also, we are supposed to calculate average waiting time and average turnaround time. So let's get started. So at time 0, there is only one process that is arrived, that is P1. And the burst time for P1 is 4 with the priority 2. Because there is no other process available at time 0, we will assign this P1. So the burst time is 4, so 0 to 4, P1 is completed. After that, you can see, because this is non-preemptive, we will not stop this P1. We will make sure P1 completes till 4. So by the time 4, you can see P5 is arrived, P4 is arrived, P3 is arrived, P2 is arrived. Right? So everything is arrived. I've cancelled the P1 because P1 is completed. Right? So P2, P3, P4 and P5 is arrived. So we'll check the priority. Whichever is having the highest priority, we are giving the chance first. Now P4 and P5 are having the same priority, that is value 5. Then, in case of tie with the priority, we are supposed to choose first come first serve. So, based on the arrival time, P4 comes first. So, we'll assign P4. And the burst time of P4 is 5. Therefore, 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. P4 will be completed. Next, we have P5 with the burst time 2. 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. P5 is also completed. Now, we are left with two processes P2 and P3. Now, if we check the priority for P2 and P3, you can see that P3 is having the highest priority with burst time 1. So, 11 plus 1 is equals to 12. We'll assign P3. So, the only process left is P2 with the burst time 3. So, we'll assign that also. 12 plus 3 is equals to 15, P2. So, this Gantt chart is extremely simple because this is non-preemptive. We are not stopping any of the process in between. But when we solve the same problem using preemptive method, in the next video we'll discuss that. Then you can see this thing is a bit complicated. Now, just because we cannot interrupt the running process, the Gantt chart is extremely simple. So I hope you understood how we drew this Gantt chart. If you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Now, once we get the Gantt chart, we will note down all the exit times. So P1 completed at 4, P2 completed at 15, P3 at 12, P4 at 9 and P5 at 11. I've noted down all the values in the table here. Once I get exit time, with the help of this formula, turnaround time is equals to exit time minus arrival time. I've calculated each of the following. So for process P1, 4 minus 0 is equals to 4, 15 minus 1 is equals to 14, 12 minus 2 is equals to 10, 9 minus 3 is equals to 6, 11 minus 4 is equals to 7. So once you get all the turnaround time values for all the process, to calculate average turnaround time, you just need to add all this by total number of process, that is equal to 4. That gives 8.2 units. Moving ahead, similarly with this formula we can calculate waiting time. Waiting time is equals to turnaround time minus burst time. So once you get the turnaround time, you can subtract it with burst time. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0, 14 minus 3 is equals to 11, 10 minus 1 is equals to 9, 6 minus 5 is equals to 1, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. Similarly, to calculate average waiting time, add all these values divided by 5, which gives you 5.2 units. So I hope you understood how to do priority scheduling in non-preemptive method. In the next video, we'll cover priority scheduling in preemptive method, which is a bit tricky because we can interrupt processes. So make sure you watch the next video and make sure you follow the series if you found this helpful. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Get this soon. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.